Here we will discuss how to determine the best mower for your lawn or yard. There are different beast mowers available for different applications. A finish mower is designed to cut grass on a prepared lawn surface. Using a finish mower for any purpose other than cutting a prepared grass lawn will accelerate the wear and tear on your mower. For any conditions such as cutting down grass over 12 inches tall, underbrush, and thickets, a field or brush mower is a more appropriate mower. So before you start mowing, look at the condition of the terrain. Is the field flat? Does the field have inclines or hills? Determine how steep the incline will be. For flat fields or terrain with grass less than 12 inches tall, customers can use our Z-Beast zero-turn riding mower with a roll bar safety feature or our Turf Beast finish walk-behind mowers. For hills and slopes between 15 and 30 degrees, a finish walk-behind mower is a safer option. For inclines greater than 30 degrees, it is recommended that customers use a string trimmer. For fields with grass 12 inches high or taller, thickets, and underbrush, use a 36-inch Brush Beast. The 36BB model Brush Beast has an interchangeable deck that can be converted into a finish mower. If you are trying to clear an unfinished field for the first time, or a field that has slopes or hills, consider using our Brush Beast first. Then use our Finish Beast to mow thereafter. Precautions should be taken. Always use safety goggles and protective clothing when you are trying to clear a field for the first time, due to the potential of striking unseen objects and debris. Using a finish cut mower in these conditions may cause damage to the deck and drive system. For larger lots, the Beast 100-inch tow behind and the 54-inch Finish Beast is also available. For smaller lots, use our 26-inch Turf Beast wide area mower. It is important to remember the three following guidelines. Number 1, select the correct mower for your application. Number 2, select the correct deck height on your mower according to the terrain. Number 3, follow the proper maintenance guidelines in your user's manual. By following these three guidelines, you will extend the life of your mower.